welcome to my channel. This is your girl Caroline. Today we'll be cooking chicken stew. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's get into the lab. For this process, we'll be needing some fresh tomatoes, bell pepper, bonnet pepper, bay leaves, parsley, onions, baby leeks, ginger and garlic, stock and salt, limestone, basil, oregano, and whole clove, and to crown it all, chicken. In a blender cup, I'll be adding in my chopped onions, baby leeks, ginger, pepper, garlic, and water. I'll be blending this up and setting aside for future use. I'll go ahead and clean my bell pepper. In a pot, I'll be adding in some water and my whole fresh tomatoes. On top of that, I'll be adding in my bell pepper. I'll allow this to boil for about 20 minutes. At this point, I'll be adding in my limestone. This reduces the acidity in the tomatoes and helps it cook better and faster. I'll be breaking my whole tomatoes and I'll mix till I get this consistency. I'll allow the water in the pot to dry up and I'll go ahead and blend up my tomato. In a pot, I'll be adding in my chicken. I've blended magic potion, some bay leaves, parsley, oregano, basil, stock, and salt. I'll mix this together. I'll cover and allow it to sit for 45 minutes. Our chicken is ready. In a pot of oil, I'll be adding in some chopped onions and chopped baby leeks. I'll be adding in my blended tomatoes. Some clove and my chicken stock. I'll add in some more seasoning and salt. At this point, I'll be adding in my chicken. I'll give this a good stir and I'll allow this to sit for another 10 minutes. Our stew is ready, guys. This can be accompanied with plantains, rice, dodo, fufu. Please let me know in the comment section what you think about this dish. You can have this with a chilled glass of wine and thank me later. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Bye-bye.